Hello, today we are going to be showing you how to remove and replace these. Sometimes they're manufactured from, will send them to us with these odd fittings on them. So sometimes we don't catch it, sometimes we do, 90% of the time we try and catch it. But these fittings will not work on your normal tubing that's inside your MP series units or your SP series units. You'll need a Barb that looks more like this one. Alright, so first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a pair of pliers and 2 Barb replacement ends. First, they might be hand tight, they might be wrench tight, it just depends. But you'll just go ahead and turn these counterclockwise to remove them. Some of them you might have to use a plier, but usually you just have to loosen it with the plier and then you can do it with your hands. Alright, so you removed your 2 odd fittings for it. You take your Barb fittings and you can put a piece of Teflon tape around it if you want for extra security. These ones have already been applied with Teflon tape, so we don't have to actually apply it. And then you just screw them up. And then whenever you need to, pull out those pliers that you had before and just start tightening the tube down. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey, so you'll want to turn it clockwise to make sure that they are seated. Get them as close to the base of the cell as you can. You don't want there to be too much of a gap, because the more of a gap that you have, the more likely you are to be releasing ozone. But in the same sense, you don't want to over tighten it, since this is made out of a Teflon plastic to where it will break if you over tighten it. This should only take about 5 minutes to complete fully, and that's just because it takes you a few minutes to get these fully tightened and seated in. But whenever you're done, your generator should work again. Here's how it should look whenever it's fully seated. You don't want there to be too much of a gap right there. And this is ready to be placed inside of your unit now.